Hi guys, this is Chris from South Africa. I finally received my book from Francesco and I'm very excited. So today I just want to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to open it and just explain to you briefly what it entails and why I think it's an awesome investment, and I'm very excited for my own personal career. There's a lot of information here that I need to catch up on. So yeah, let's get going. Okay guys, here we have the packaging. As you can see, we really made some effort with this. I'm sure the book's going to be in excellent condition, what we're going to see. Yeah, Francesco and Clusona. He's going to murder you with that pronunciation. Francesco, sorry man, I think it's Clusona. But anyway, let's quickly have a look here. There we go. Careful that I don't. And let's close that up there. Yes, nicely bubble wrapped. Yup. And that is a chunky boy. Look at that, so heavy. So excited. Let's open this here. Lovely bookmark, ruler, and wow guys, can't explain the quality of the print. It is so well done. Beautiful. Corona Render, the complete guide. Francesco Lagrenzi. Sure, let's just look at the back. It is so heavy, guys. The quality of the paper and the printing is just exceptional. Okay. Of importance then is at the back you can see there's your DVDs, which obviously from what I understand forms a very integral part of the entire process. And yeah, I'm just going to briefly page through it as well, just to show you guys. Let's look. Again, yeah, it's a really nice quality, and you know, just the smell of a brand new book is always incredible. Introduction, Corona Render, history, scene tab, camera tab, performance tab, system. You can really see how much effort is in every single chapter. Systems tab, render elements, going through each and every, which I think is quite an in-depth chapter as well. Objects, materials, very important. Raceway, catcher, volume, Corona maps, Corona color, scripts. I didn't even know about this. Awesome. Yeah. Introduction, general. Yo, no, the printing is so crystal clear. Quality of this is just, and I mean, you couldn't ask for more detail. This is really every single page. Yeah, this is going to take me a while to go through, but I'm looking forward to this. There's just so much stuff in here that even as a fairly advanced Corona user myself, I just didn't know about. I can just page through this a bit more. Oh, there's so much pictures. I mean, it's not just theory on end. And what I like is, if in any essence, if there's something I would like to know or understand, the syllabus in the front really breaks it down. So if I say, okay, well, I need something on materials, I know I can just look page 401, materials, and it breaks it down nicely with, in that sense, give me a nice explanation as to what it entails or the problem that I would have. Yeah, well guys, look at this. I'm really so impressed with the printing, and of utmost importance, obviously, the information. Yeah, no. Go. Francesco, thanks my brother. I received it, everything perfect, such well conditioned. I'm excited for this. This is definitely one not just for the bookshelf. This is going to sit next to me. As soon as there's something that I'm having trouble with, I know I can go to Corona. complete guide, because that is exactly what it is, a complete guide. Thanks.